head out into our back lot right now. Let me hear you scream, people! All right, you are ready. Well, it is the Halloween season. It is Terror Tram. We are taking you out to our world-famous backlot. A lot of monster movies were born here. A lot of horror films are filmed here. And there's one thing horror movies and theme park attractions have in common. Usually, something goes horribly wrong. But you know, tonight's going to be different. It's the Terror Tram. We're heading out to our backlot. I mean, what could possibly go wrong? Hold on. What is this? What's happening? This is not supposed to happen.
I'm sorry to interrupt your fun, ladies and gentlemen. I am Gloria Strickland, and I am the Chief Executive Officer of Hazard Valuation and Eco Crisis Management at the studio. I just need to speak with your tour guide for a minute. Where do you think you're going?
It's Terror Tram. We're going to the backlot.
I'm afraid that is out of the question.
Why?
Had you bothered to check in with our self-serve employee info kiosks when you clocked in this evening, you would know that that area is under a chartreuse level threat assessment and off limits to employees and the public.
What is a chartreuse level threat assessment?
Our data suggests that the color red panics people. Look, those are very old structures. They are riddled with termites, infested with vermin. Why, the whole place is crawling with bugs.
Are you tired of humans? Are you sick of being stepped on, squashed, swatted, and sprayed? Then call the Exterminators, the #1 name in human pest control. Our helpful and discreet operators are standing by 24/7 to answer all your human pest needs. Have you got cantankerous Karens, hostile haters, entitled teens, or irritating influencers? Then call the Exterminators today and make your human problems go away. Hi, I'm Larry Larva. Did you know 90% of all life forms on this planet are insects? We outnumber humans 1 billion to 1. 1 billion to 1. Humans don't stand a chance. They call those pests vermin and creepy crawlers, but insects have occupied this planet for over 400 million years. Rodents, 50 million years. Humans, a measly 300,000. And look what they've done to the place. They've poisoned the air with noxious gases. They've contaminated the land and water with dangerous chemicals and toxic waste. And they say the dung beetle is gross because he lives in poop. Please! That's why I invented the Squooge, the only humanicide on the market that's guaranteed to kill humans dead. It looks like a milkshake, it tastes like a cheeseburger, and it smells like warm apple pie. Humans can't resist it. Just one taste and they're Squooge. 100% guaranteed or your money back. But don't take my word for it. Just ask one of my quintillion satisfied customers. So what are you waiting for? Call the Exterminators today, because humans are a pest.
That is 818-655-6666.
This is outrageous. I want to get your manager right now. You hear me? I am talking to you, Missy. What are you looking at? This is unacceptable. Unacceptable! When you see the cleaning I'm going to give this place. Zero stars, my friend. Zero. This is outrageous. I want to speak to your manager right now. You hear me? I am talking to you, Missy. What are you looking at? This is unacceptable. Unacceptable! When you see the rating I'm going to give this place. Zero stars, my friend. Zero! This is outrageous. I want to speak to your manager right now. You hear me? I am talking to you, Missy.
Or your money back. Need a demonstration? Entering our rightful place as the apex predators of the... Did you know insects on this planet outnumber humans a billion to one? Humans don't stand a chance.
That's like what my dog wants to like. Oh yeah. Oh, did we get the first one out of the house to walk through the bushes?
Insects on this planet outnumber humans a billion to one. Humans don't stand a chance. Rise up, my brothers and sisters. Cast off those nets. Free yourselves from the traps of our human oppressors and make them feel the sting of our wrath. Remember, humans are a pest. What have humans ever done for us except try to eradicate us from this planet? Humans, with their inflated life expectancy, greedily consuming all of our resources. They poisoned and polluted our home for long enough. It's payback.
something humming.
We're going to be taking you back to the theme park now so you can enjoy the rest of Halloween Horror Nights. So just sit back and relax for a few minutes. The one house that you don't want to miss